Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, to my page. Today I will show you how to make a native jollof rice, a simple method. We have our rice and also I'm using catfish. Yes, dried catfish. You can also use any maybe bush meat, anything of your choice. You can use beef or smoked beef, but this catfish is what you need. I added salt to wash the catfish because I'll be putting a whole of the catfish. All I need to do is just remove the stick they use in rounding it and there's some dirty inside. Then add some hot water, wash it properly. And after that, in the pot, add in your water, bring it to boiling, then go in with your rice for boil the rice. After boil the rice, next you'll be doing this, go in with your red oil. Then you'll be adding your onions, then add some salt to fry for some minutes. Then we're going in with some tomato paste. I use tomato paste. Yes, you can use your mixed pepper, grounded mixed pepper that stirs together. Added some grounded pepper and what they call it is not a raw fermented local, that's obey. Yes, I added some obey, and I added one secret, that is recipe spice. Try to add it to your local. Add some thyme and some seasoning. I also added the grounded pepper and stir together to get it done. Then I add some water because I'm not using meat stock. You can use your meat stock. Next thing is to add in my crayfish. Oh my god, crayfish is one of the things you need inside your local jollof rice. As additional seasoning cube, depends on how you want it. Stir together, allow you to bring to boiling, then go in with your catfish to cook at least to get in some juicy inside. After some time, bring it out, then separate the fish so it will not get scattered when you're trying to stir the rice. Remove your fish aside. Then after doing that, you'll be going in with your rice. Yes, we're going in with your rice. Then stir it properly, test for salt, and if you need to add for salt, just test it and ensure everything is okay. Then stir it together. After doing that, you'll be going in with your fish back to the pot, then to cook properly. Why I did this, I don't want it to scatter. I want it to still have that the nice shape, not scattered all over inside this rice. After doing that, cover it and cook on a low heat for some minutes. Then come back, check. When you see that it has done already, just to dry water, just go in with your scent leaf. What is like native jollof rice without scent leaf? Here's what will take it to the next level, that when you're eating it, you feel as if you should not stop eating. That's one thing with native jollof rice. It's so yummy. At this point, I checked it back and I saw that it still needs to be steamed. You don't need to rush the fryer, just on the medium low heat. It will cook properly and the ingredient will go into it. This rice I just showed you, this method I just showed you, just try it. You come back and thank me because this tasted so nice, even beyond what I even expect, because I'm not just prepared to cook it in a very big way. Just concoct rice, just emergency rice. That's what I call this one, because I was not prepared. I just use what I have at home to just get it cooked. At this point, the jollof rice is coming, and this is what I call smoky native jollof rice. Yes, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this rice. Let me know. If you enjoyed the recipe, please click and subscribe and also follow my page. Thanks for watching. Bye.